សួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាចា៎នេះជាវីដេអូបន្តរបស់យើងតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងមេរៀន HTML ចឹងនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្យល់អ្នកនរគ្នាថាតើភាសា HTML ហ្នឹងគឺជាអីគេអូខេតោះកុំឲ្យខាតពេកហើយនេះខ្ញុំនឹងមានតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំមិនឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាមើលអូខេចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះយើងអាចមើលឃើញថានេះ HTML introduction HTML is the standard by language for creating web page អូខេចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះគឺមានថាម៉េចគឺ HTML គឺជា standard មក language គឺជាភាសាមួយដែល standard ដែលគេបង្កើតវាឡើងសម្រាប់ធ្វើការបង្កើតទៅលើគេហទំព័ររបស់ website នេះឯងហើយតើគេហទំព័រ website ឬក៏ page web page ហ្នឹងគឺជាអីគេចឹងសម្រាប់ជាទូទៅ web page នៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការ click ទៅលើ link មួយដែលស្ថិតនៅក្នុង navbar របស់វាហ្នឹងវានឹងចូលទៅកាន់page មួយថ្មីទៀតដែលអ្នកអស់នេះហើយដែលគេហៅវាថាជាប្រភេទ web page អូខេហើយយើងនឹងដឹងបន្ថែមតទៅជាមួយនឹង what is HTML HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language ហើយវាក៏ជា standard markup language for creating web page ផងដែរលើពីនេះវាក៏អាចជា describe the structure of the web page consists of series of elements ហើយវាក៏ HTML element ក៏ tell the browser how to display the content ហើយមួយទៀតវាតទៅជាមួយ HTML element label piece of content such as this is a heading this is a paragraph and this is a link etc អញ្ចឹងទៅ everything else អូខេចឹងតែគេអាចហៅវាថាជាភាសាក្រុមឆ្អឹងភាសាមួយដែលជាមូលដ្ឋានគ្រឹះរបស់យើងសម្រាប់ធ្វើការសិក្សាបន្តតទៅជាមួយនឹងការចាប់យកជាជំនាញ developer នៅក្នុងវិស័យបច្ចុប្បន្នផងដែរអូខេចឹងនេះគឺជាទម្រង់ structure example ដែលខ្ញុំបានយកមកឲ្យអ្នកគ្នាសិក្សាចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះយើងមើលឃើញថាវាមានទៅលើសញ្ញាតូចជាងសញ្ញាឧទាន .type HTML ហើយខ្ញុំបញ្យល់ថាតើហ្នឹងជាអីគេហើយទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងជាអីគេចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការសរសេរសិនរួចខ្ញុំបញ្យល់អ្នកគ្នាអូខេឥឡូវនេះយើងចូលមកកាន់ file HTML របស់យើងដំបូងទាំងអស់គ្នាចឹងយើងអាចមើលឃើញថានេះនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំសរសេរទៅលើសញ្ញាតូចជាងវានឹងលោតចេញសញ្ញា .type ហើយអីបានវាលោតចេញយើងបានបង្កើតទៅលើ extension ដែលជាជំនួយសម្រាប់នៅក្នុងការសរសេរកូដនៅក្នុង VS Code ហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ការបង្កើតទៅលើ extension តើយើងអាចបង្កើតតាមរយៈបែបណាអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចចូលមកកាន់កន្លែងខាងឆ្វេងនេះអ្នកនរគ្នាឃើញពាក្យថា extension ឬក៏យើងអាចចុច shortcut របស់គេ Ctrl Shift X ខ្ញុំប៉ះទៅលើវាមួយរួចយើងយកពាក្យថា file ពាក្យថា auto close text អូខេអ្នកគ្នានៅពេលដែលវាយពី auto close យើងយកទី1នេះមកហើយរួចចុច install នៅកន្លែងនេះមកហើយយើង trust វាហើយ yes រហូតមកណាអូខេយើងចូលមកកាន់មួយទៀតតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង live server ហើយអីបញ្ជាយើងប្រើទៅលើប្រភេទ live server មានថានៅពេលដែលអ្នកគ្នាធ្វើការ run ទៅលើ browser ដែល display content ទៅលើ browser ហ្នឹងវានឹងធ្វើការ auto live server យើងមកមានថា auto display អ្វីដែលយើងសរសេរនៅក្នុង VS Code វានឹងបង្ហាញទៅកាន់ browser តែម្ដងអូខេអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាគ្រាន់តែចុចទៅលើវានេះហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាយកពាក្យ install មករួចជាការស្រេចអូខេតោះបន្ទាប់ពីអ្នកនរគ្នាធ្វើការបង្កើតទៅលើ extension ដែលមាននៅក្នុង VS Code រួចយើងនឹងធ្វើការសិក្សាអំពី structure របស់ HTMLអូខេចឹងសម្រាប់ structure របស់ HTML អ្នកនរគ្នាគ្រាន់តែវាយពាក្យថាសញ្ញាតូចជាងវារួចវានឹងចេញពាក្យសញ្ញាឧទាន .type ហើយរួចអ្នកនរគ្នា enter មកវានឹងចេញបង្កើតឲ្យរួចជាស្រេចអូខេ enter មកហើយបើយើងប្រើប្រាស់វាដោយសារអីគឺវាជាទម្រង់មួយធ្វើឲ្យ file HTML ស្គាល់ថាយើងកំពុងតែសរសេរ HTML ភាសា HTML នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងអូខេរួចខ្ញុំសរសេរពាក្យថា HTML អូខេ HTML បែបនេះរួចវានឹងមាន HTML មួយហើយវាខុសគ្នាតែសញ្ញាស្លាស់នេះមួយណាសញ្ញាស្លាស់នេះគឺបង្ហាញអំពីការបញ្ចប់ទៅលើelement របស់ element ហ្នឹងតែម្ដងអូខេហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវចាំថានៅក្នុង HTML គឺភាសាកូដរបស់យើងគឺវាមានជាគូមានថាវាមាន start text ជាមួយនឹង end text អញ្ចឹងអានេះគឺជា start text ហើយខាងក្រោយនេះគឺជា end text ដែលយើងសម្គាល់វាដោយសញ្ញាស្លាស់បិទនឹងឯងអូខេតោះមួយទៀតយើងតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងមួយទៀតគឺយើងមាននៅក្នុង HTML គឺយើងមានទៅលើ head នេះមានថាគឺជាទម្រង់ផ្នែកក្បាលរបស់ HTML ដែលក្នុង head គឺវាមានទៅលើ title แต่ครั้งแรกนั่นคือมีแต่เลย title แบบนี้ถ้าในครั้ง title นี่น้องเนี่ยอาจจะการ include หรือก็จะ say แต่ละอาจจะ say แต่ละ content แบบ same แต่เขาทางยังมีแต่ทางชั่วโมงนี้แบบจับรู้น้องเนี่ยทางการ control s มีทาง cell หรือก็น้องเนี่ยอาจจะมาการฟ้าหรือยกปิดทาง auto cell คลิกแบบนี้มาวิ่งทั่วการ cell auto อันนั้นเนี่ยโอเคจะในข้างของ hand นี้ยังหนึ่งเมียนบาดีฉันสมัยบาดีนั่นคือเชื่อเก๋บาดีคือเชื่อไว้ในviệcกระดาษเมียท้าอุตหะจะแสดงคือยมเมนตลอดเว็บไซต์มวยโอเคแล้วยมเมนตลอดเว็บไซต์สบายยูสอันนี้คลิปเมื่อจะแสดงชื่ออุตหะโอเคจังคันเลยนี้เนี่ยคันเลยนี้แต่ยังจะเซบนนั่นคือวิจิฮัทห้าไว้ยังจะเซแต่อันเนี่ยวิเมียนแต่งรูปเพียบแต่เลยไอ้เซนั่นคือวิจิบาดีแต่ยังจะเซวิดอีลจะเซกันทันอันนั้นในครั้งบาดีโอเคต่อไปอันนั้นไงไปแบบอุตหะแทนเลยยังไปแทน this is this is 80 this is 80 okay yeah วิเซลหนักนี่แอดทุกแกมาสแตมป์เลยเพจยังมวยให้ open with live server อะไร open with live server นี่คือนับไปแต่หนักนี่ทุกแก install extension นั่นสินะตัววิจัยเอาโอเคหนักนี่เมื่อคืนในการ head detect เคยมีทัชมูลยังไหมก็เจอไว้แต่ยังมันจะเซตในครั้ง head ให้จะเซตครั้ง title element นั่นเองให้จะครั้งมูลนี้นั่นคือวิจัย content แต่ visitor นั่นจะล่อเรียง start page มูลนั่ง end page จะนี่สิ start page นี่เชีย end page ให้สมัยบาดีนี่เคยยังจะ say this is active อะไรวิจัยในขนมดีเอาจังเอา content จากแต่ยังจะ say โดยขนมเว็บไซต์แบบนี้คือยังถือ say จากนั่งโจทย์การบาดีโอเคให้สมัยHTML นี้บัดมีทางการบรรจับแต่เลย HTML มีทางการบรรจับแต่เลยภาษา HTML แต่งสรงแต่ម្ដងណាអូខេចុងវីដេអូនេះគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងហើយសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកនរគ្នានឹងសិក្សាជាមួយខ្ញុំនៅមេរៀនបន្តអូខេបាយ